happy birthday, Carpinteria. I love living here and I love this town.
I'm Jim Drain. I want to wish the city a wonderful 50th anniversary year.
Happy anniversary, Carpinteria!
I'm Greg Carty. I'm so happy, proud, honored, and it is a privilege to be our mayor of the great city of Carpinteria on its 50th birthday. It's a wonderful time to reminisce, celebrate, and enjoy all that our community has to offer. We are so blessed. Happy 50th anniversary, Carpinteria.
Happy anniversary, 50 years. Way to go, Carpinteria. Blue Panathon.
This is Michael Ensign, and we're wishing Carpinteria a happy 50th.
Carpinteria, it's been a great 50-year run. Happy anniversary, and hopefully we'll have an even better 50 years coming forward.
Happy anniversary. I knew you before you were a city, and I love you still.
Hi, I'm John Palminteri, and I'm standing on Linden Avenue in the heart of the greatest little city in California. Happy 50th anniversary, Carpinteria.
Hi, this is Chris Gokong. Happy 50th anniversary, Carpinteria.
I'm Nilo Fanucchi, and I want to wish Carpinteria their happiest 50th anniversary. I've been here at the first, and I'm here for the 50th, and it's a glorious place to be.
Hi, I'm Peter Bai, and I do want to wish the city of Carpinteria a very happy birthday. It's hard to believe you're turning 50. You don't look a day over 21.
First District Supervisor Salud Carbajal. Congratulations, Carpinteria. You have a rich history and an extraordinary place to call home.
Hi, this is Kiona. Happy 50th.
Happy 50th, Carpinteria. This is Al Clark, and happy 50th anniversary, citizens of Carpinteria. Your experiment in self-determination is successful.
Congratulations, Carpinteria. I'm Paul at Island Brewing, and we hope to celebrate another 50 years in Carpinteria. Congratulations.
It's great to be here to wish you a happy anniversary. You're a wonderful town. I have your 25th anniversary pin here and looking forward to getting the 50th.
Hi, this is Tara O'Reilly, and happy Golden Jubilee to all of Carpinteria.
My name is Aiden, and I love Carpinteria.
Hi, I'm Lieutenant Brad McVeigh. Happy 50th anniversary, Carpinteria.
It's Mary Beth Carty, wishing the city of Carpinteria a happy 50th anniversary. You're golden, and how blessed and lucky we are to celebrate this with you.
Hi, it's Sherry Frasier, the Executive Director of Carpinteria Arts Center. Happy 50th anniversary, Carpinteria.
Hi, this is Gary Campopiano. Happy 50th birthday, Carpinteria.
And we're celebrating our 50th anniversary for the city of Carpinteria.
I'm Martha Hickey, and I'd like to wish all the people of Carpinteria a happy 50th anniversary.
I was here when it became a city, so I'm real proud of 50 years of cityhood.
Hi, I'm Doss Williams. I'm the Assembly Member for Santa Barbara and Ventura counties, and I just want to wish all of Carpinteria, including myself because I live here, a 50th anniversary.
This is Fred Shaw, City Councilman. I just want to wish everybody in Carpinteria a happy 50th anniversary in our great little town.
Hi, I'm Roxanne Nomura, and I want to wish all of Carpinteria a happy 50th Jubilee celebration.
Happy 50th, Carpinteria.
Happy anniversary, Carpinteria.
Hi, I'm Donna Jordan, and I want to say happy 50th to the greatest little beach town in the world.
Hi, I'm Ryan Moore. Happy anniversary, Carpinteria.
Hello, I'm Sheriff Bill Brown. Happy 50th anniversary, Carpinteria. You're one of the jewels of Santa Barbara County.
Happy 50th anniversary from the Colson family.
Hi, this is Wade Nomura. I'd like to wish Carpinteria City a happy 50th anniversary, and just can't wait for that 100th to come along. Thank you.
Probably the best thing that ever happened to Carpinteria was being incorporated. Happy 50th, and my name is Guy Robitaille.
Hi, it's Jamie Collins from the Carpinteria Boys and Girls Club, and happy 50th anniversary, Carpinteria.
This is Pat Kistler from the Chamber of Commerce. Have a great 50th anniversary.
my name's Edie Kaufman, and I wanted to wish the city of Carpinteria and all of its residents and guests a happy 50th anniversary.
This is Stephanie Zimmerman. Happy anniversary, Carpinteria.
Hi, this is Betty Brown, and happy 50th anniversary.
Hi, I'm Donna Treloar, and I want to say happy 50th birthday to the city. I was here the first year it incorporated, and it's hard to believe I'm that old, but me and the city, we're both that old.
Hello, this is Curtis Lopez, and I want to say happy birthday, Carpinteria. Congratulations on 50 years.
Hi, Chief Mike Mingy here with the Carpinteria Sutherland Fire District. Happy anniversary, Carpinteria.
Hi, I'm Matt Roberts. Happy 50th anniversary, Carpinteria.
Hi, I'm Jill Castro with the Castro House, and happy anniversary.
Hi, my name is Natalie, and happy anniversary.
This is Paul Bettine, and happy birthday, Carpinteria. 50 great years.
Hi, this is Lynn Graph, and I want to wish the city of Carpinteria a happy 50th and 50 more.
Hi, Carpinteria. This is Debbie Murphy. Murphy King Real Estate wishes you a happy 50th birthday. You're really wise now.
Hi, I'm Jessica Wetzel. I love Carpinteria, and I just want to say happy anniversary, you weird and wonderful place.
My name is Pat Lemire. I was a city employee for over 30 years, and I'm delighted to be able to say happy 50th anniversary to the city this year.
Linda Lang, Carpinteria Valley Chamber of Commerce, congratulations on your Golden Jubilee. We are honored to be kicking off this celebration.
This is John Weldy. Happy anniversary to the city of Carpinteria, our hometown. We love it dearly. Vera and I have had the opportunity and very proud to have raised our family here in Carpinteria since 1962.
Hi, this is Gary Dobbins, co-publisher of the Coastal View News, wishing the city of Carpinteria a happy 50th anniversary.
Hi, I'm David Powdrell. I just want to say happy 50th birthday, Carpinteria. You guys rock. Carpinteria rocks, I tell you what. Are you with me, Larry? Carpinteria rocks!
Hi, it's Karen Graph, and I want to wish the city of Carpinteria a happy 50th anniversary. I am proud to have been raised here, and I'm proud to raise a daughter here.
Hi, this is John Serta. I'd like to congratulate the city of Carpinteria as we celebrate the 50th anniversary as an incorporated city.
Dear Carpinteria, happy birthday, love, Leah Boyd.
Yeah, happy birthday, Carpinteria. I'm Larry Nimmer.